Welcome back to Stock Talk Trades. We are going over Matic, and Matic hit our price target of that 120 to 130 range. If you saw the last video, you would have known this was going to happen all the way back when it was down here. I called it out back here that it was going to hit this level, and that's a 60% gain. That's awesome. That's a great trade. I did sadly sell a third of my position right here. I knew this was going to happen, but I didn't think it was going to happen this fast. I sold a third of my position because I did need the cash, and I had a surplus of money in here. This is my biggest. I over doubled my account size, and I just sold a third. I thought this was going to consolidate for a little bit longer, and when I did, I thought it was going to consolidate for another month or two, another month before reaching our price target. But that is awesome. I still have that 2/3 of my or now my full position, which is awesome. And now let's go ahead and take a peek at some more price targets and where it can go from here, considering that this might be the top for now. Oh, didn't mean to break that, but again, we found nice resistance or support on this channel, and it's actually looking pretty good and for the upside. So, but I wouldn't be surprised if we actually came back and tested this channel as support, because that is usually how it works. Let's go ahead and take a peek at some Fibonacci retracements, because I bet that this is a Fibonacci level. I'm going to go swing low and swing high. And what do you know? It is. And if we pull back to here, that would be awesome, because we can actually actually now make a price target if it pulls back to this range. Now we have another price target for that for Matic actually at 35 to 45. So that is our next price target for Matic, is 35 to 45 if we can stay above this 50% level. We stay above this 50% level, so basically $1. If we can stay above $1, that is a price target for Matic, and that would be awesome if it hits this. I actually have a long-term price target of Matic close to like $5. I think Matic could hit $5 by the end of the year, low key. Like, as it's catching steam right now, Matic's only at 6.2, I believe, billion dollars in market cap. So there's a good amount of room to grow. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this channel. We know that's happening. Yeah, but anyways, as long as we stay above this $1 range, per se, $1 to this $1 range, because it's a zone. I'm gonna go ahead and draw this. As long as we can stay above this range, then we are still bullish for the short term. I'm still bullish no matter what, even if it falls below this level. But if we fall below this 50% line and then find resistance on it, so basically if it falls below 95 and then also comes down, maybe find support, break this, and if it finds resistance here and then breaks the 61.8 level, then we're gonna have a little bit of cool down. And I have a long-term support of around 68 cents, which I'm still not too fond of that idea, just because I bought in. Like, I'm still up pretty much double my money from there till I sold some right here, so I'm not too sad about it. I told you guys on my TikTok and on YouTube that this was going to pump up like this, so you guys, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps out the channel, and you guys can get some good information and keep up to date on your favorite cryptos. I post every single day, update you guys, price targets for it, where they think it can go, and yeah, I have fun doing it. And if you guys could support it, that would be awesome. Comment down below and consider subscribing. We have actually broken down. Let's go ahead and take a peek at a shorter time frame here. Let's go look at the 1-hour chart. So again, we have that support of $1. It looks like we actually just broke out of like a potential bull flag here, which is absolutely crazy, because this bull flag was actually a rising wedge, or it's kind of like a rising wedge actually. Entered a rising wedge and just went parabolic, and looks like it's going to find support on that rising wedge. So let's go and take a peek at go and measure this. The top, that's 24. and that's 24 again. That's telling us that 35-40% cent level. That is looking very good, very good for us. If we can successfully hold support on this rising wedge, break through this, and then we will see that 140 level mark very, very soon. And long term, again, we talked about that. I'm looking for a $5 Matic very, very soon. Soon, I mean, that's relative because some people soon is like in a week. For me, soon is going to be in like by the end of the year. You guys just got to be patient in crypto. We are looking very, very good. If we do have a strong support right here. We did, this perfect, like almost a rising wedge per se. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. It's cleaner. It's not like it's like a channel / rising wedge. And we successfully actually came down and touched that right there. So that was a successful support. So if we go, we can also measure from here to here, or from the top of the channel. That's around 30 cents, and then we measure to the top. Like that's right in our price target. So I have Matic has a lot of potential. It's like Ethereum, but it's way more scalable. And I'm never gonna sell 1,000 shares. I'm like my pet peeve is not a pet peeve. It's like how I do it. It's like if something has like XRP, HBAR, Matic, ADA, no matter what, I'm never going to sell 1,000 of my shares. So no matter what price it is, I have more, so I can take some profits. Get my money's worth. But I will never sell 1,000. We are a little. Let's go look at the daily chart. It's more reliable. So we are extremely overextended from this 50 SMA. I'm looking for it to potentially consolidate here in order for this. Again, this could, we had we had 2 green days and then a consolidation period. So if we can actually successfully come back down on the daily chart and test this level, then we'll see that price target. But if not, we're going to see it hopefully just consolidate here above the $1.05 range, and then so that's their next support level. Then we have a short-term support of $1, then 95, and then a long-term support level of 68 cents. So as long as it doesn't break, as long as it doesn't drop like 43%, then we're chilling. But that is possible in a day, and I'm not too worried about that happening. If that happens like in one day, it can't sustain that. Like, it depends how much news, what the company's doing. But again, that drop only happens on crazy shit coins, and this is not a shit coin. Thank you guys so much for supporting. I post videos like this every single day, and I will see you guys in the next one.